Today we're in Melbourne doing Tung Acupuncture workshop Earth Level with Dr Michael Chung in Savoy Hotel. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Michael Chung. I'm so happy to be able to come to Melbourne again.
It's very interesting. There's a lot of distal acupuncture around. I guess when you go to the source, you get to see the difference. To have it explained by someone who really knows their stuff in the world of Chinese medicine, it's a real honour.
And from the last module to now, the efficacy and the notoriety of our clinic and what we can do to help people has grown very considerably.
Module 1 pretty much revolutionised the way that I'd be thinking and practicing in clinic. Something that I could just use straight away as well. It was incredible.
I've always been a fan of Tung Acupuncture, and it was great learning more points, particularly for pain conditions and being able to see that immediate effect.
I've been using it a lot, and not just the points but the theories behind it.
Module 1 we learned about 100 points. In Module 2 we're going to be learning about 60 extra points.
In Module 2, some of the needling techniques, learning how to needle properly and get the right depth, the right angle has been a major benefit to myself, and I believe to anyone else that's been here as well.
My technique and efficacy has definitely seen a big increase.
The reason why Tung Acupuncture is not simply a group of extra points is because they have a system behind it. And by learning that system, you also could understand TCM is really having a big life in between. That's why they could be lasting 5,000 years, and we still feel there are so many secrets that is yet to be discovered.
So I want to bring this to Australia and get more acupuncturists to learn distal acupuncture so we can grow our profession even more faster and more successful.